What I often do when painting spindles is to first paint the edges with a brush. That way, you've already taken care of that part. Once you've done the tricky edges, grab a roller. I use a fuzzy roller, the kind you often use for walls. I've already painted the bottom of the fence, so now you only need to do the spindles. With a fuzzy roller, you can apply enough paint and build up the layer thickness properly. Another big advantage of a fuzzy roller is that it splatters much less than a foam roller. With one fully loaded roller, you can easily paint 2 spindles. You'll see that this method works very quickly. You can use a brush again for the last small sections at the top. But with this technique, you'll achieve a great finish. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can watch more of these helpful videos on how to do your own painting. Once everything is covered in paint, you can go over the spindles again with a brush. For this type of project, layer thickness is more important. Do you have other ways of doing this? Let me know in the comments. After finishing all the white sections, let the paint dry completely before applying the other color. You can also choose to start with the green color first, and once that's done and dry, apply the white. In the video next to this one, I'll show you exactly how to paint this beautifully and achieve a clean, sharp line. Give me a thumbs up if you learned something, subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next video.